Hi everyone, welcome back to Airdrop Insider, your go-to channel for the latest crypto airdrops and blockchain rewards. I'm Adam, and today we're talking about a unique and impactful project, Silencio, SLC. Silencio is a decentralized platform dedicated to combating noise pollution, and they're rewarding early adopters with a massive 7.5% beta airdrop. Stick around, and I'll explain how you can claim your share of 7.5 billion SLC tokens, maximize your rewards, and secure your spot before the claiming window closes. And if you have questions or need guidance, you can always contact me directly on Telegram. I'll help you with advice, updates, and support for this and other crypto projects. The link is in the description below. Don't hesitate to reach out. Let's dive in. The Silencio network is a blockchain-based project that aims to reduce noise pollution worldwide by collecting real-time data through community participation. To reward early adopters, 7.5 billion SLC tokens will be distributed to users who actively engage with the Silencio app. Your airdrop rewards depend on your activity level, referral efforts, and daily contributions. Follow these steps to increase your SLC airdrop share. Stay active. Use the Silencio app daily to climb league rankings and earn bigger rewards. Leverage streak bonuses. Maintain a daily contribution streak to increase your rewards by up to 250%. Refer friends. Invite friends to join with your referral code and earn 200 in-app coins, plus 20% of their earnings. Complete daily quests. Earn extra in-app coins by completing daily tasks. Now, how to claim your SLC tokens. Step 1. Open the Silencio app and navigate to the airdrop section. Step 2. After the TGE Q1 2025, claim your earned tokens within 30 days. Step 3. Choose your preferred exchange or wallet to receive your tokens. Step 4. Stay updated through Silencio's official channels to ensure you don't miss any deadlines. Unclaimed tokens will be returned to the community pool, so don't miss out. If you have any questions about the Silencio airdrop or need help with claiming your rewards, I'm here to help. Message me directly on Telegram. The link is in the description below. Let's make sure you maximize your rewards. That's it for today's video. The Silencio airdrop is an exciting way to earn free tokens while contributing to a global cause. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to Airdrop Insider, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new airdrop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy earning!